Okay. Now, we're in the classroom.
Pero wala si Nico.
This is my stick O and it's a lot of fun.
Hingi! Arthur!
Hindi man ako kikinig na classroom.
In the classroom.
Bakit? Pero okay lang. Pero okay lang.
Yeah, tsaka, nibigyan ko naman yung teacher yun.
Yup, Manuel!
Like this, right here. Manuel.
Panalo.
So, tinugustuhan nito, and galing na kay Manuel. Tapos, tol, hoy, home! Okay, dito, wag mo dito. My locker. This one.
Yes!
Kung galing kay Manuel, kinain ko. Okay!
Walang balikot na pare. Walang balikot.
Luigi!